Hello children, now I am going to start grade 4 block 3 S2 other uses of plants. Plants are used for many other purposes. Here we can see here how the plants are useful. Plants are useful. It will give vegetables for us. Can you see? See some of the common vegetables you can see. Yeah, lady's finger, brinjal, uh, French beans. Yes, you can see green peas also. You can see carrot also. You can see cauliflower. Yeah, these are the pulses, food grains which we'll get from plants. See, these are the plants which will get the food grains. This is the wheat plant. This is maize, jawar, gram, rice, and these are the food grains which we will get from the plants. And bread, popcorn, cakes are made with this pulses and grains. Here you can see the fruits. Some plants gives us fruits to eat. Fruits are of different shapes and sizes. Have you seen it? Yes. All fruits have different tastes. Now, some of the common fruits are banana, oranges, mangoes, watermelon, grapes, apples, papaya, sweet lime. Yes, from this also we'll get healthy drinks from these fruits. These are very healthy to drink, these juices. So coconut and sugarcane also very healthy to drink. We get all these drinks from fruits. Now you can see the oils. We need oil to cook our food, isn't it? So the coconut. From this coconut we will get the oil, and from this groundnut we will get the oil. And these are, you can see here, sunflower oil, sesame seeds oil also, they are removed. Now sugar, this is the sugar. We will get sugar from sugar cane. Now these all sweets are made with sugar. Now these are spices. Already you read in before lesson, first lesson only you read, but again you observe. These are cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, red chili. These are all spices which will give flavor to food. And you can see here plants also give other use. Other plants also have other useful. Here you can see other use also we are having with the plant. This is a cotton plant. The person, he is weaving the fiber from the, see, he is weaving the thread from the cotton. And this is a jute plant. These are all jute plants. Jute comes from the jute plant. And from the jute bags, gunny bags, mats are made. And this is rubber. This rubber, have you seen the ball? What makes the ball bounces? Yes, it's rubber. Here you can see a raincoat made with rubber, and these are rubber bands made with rubber. This is the rubber. This is a rubber plant. So here you can see a rubber plant very clearly. So from the bark the liquid has taken out. Now you can see a wood and paper. Now pencils, chair, furniture you can see very clearly. So pencils, tables and chairs are made from wood that comes from the trees. This is paper. Now plants are very important for us, and the plants produce a gas called oxygen. Now plants are very important. The oxygen helps us to breathe. So oxygen not only for the humans, for the animals also it's very important. So food from plants gives us energy. Okay. Now everyone, now what to do now here? Medicinal plants you can see here. Medicinal plants also you can observe very clearly. See here, neem tree, basil tree and a sandalwood tree which gives us medicines for us. So we have to take care of our plants. Now everyone open your Block 3, read out this paragraph. From here to here you read out, underline which you will feel the hard words and write down in your class workbook. Then go to practice questions. Go to practice questions. Practice questions, here you have to complete third, fourth, fifth and sixth. You have to complete everything. Just view the video and complete the work. Next one we will see about the workbook. What it is there in the workbook. In the workbook, first one it says circle the things that we use in daily life. Get from plants. So circle the things, read and do the work. Second one, write the examples of plants that gives us following. So things we get from plants, name the plants. So you read out and view the video and complete the work. Next one, third one, Yashoda fell and hurt a knee. A mother gave a milk with turmeric. Why it is advised to take? Why mother has given a turmeric, added turmeric in the milk? Turmeric helps to cure wounds and cuts. So it is advisable for someone who has got hurt to drink milk with turmeric. And turmeric is also used to make medicines. So it works as an antibiotic. Now, fourth one, question number 4. How do plants help in bringing rain? It's very, very important. So plants absorb water to make food. The excess water is given out through the pores in the leaves. Thus, a water evaporates and become a part of the water cycle which brings rain. That is the answer you have to write. Then when we go with question number 5, it says, why do we use other materials instead of plants? For some of our daily needs like synthetic fiber instead of cotton or plastic instead of wood. So nowadays what happened? Humans have cleared the forest to make houses, roads and factories. Is it not? Yes. So the space to grow useful plants is decreasing. Already it has decreased. So therefore there are less products obtained from plants. So please read the lesson and complete the work which I have given for you.